In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forms in Asana. Forms are a simple way to gather consistent information and turn it into trackable work inside your project. They're perfect for intake requests, bug reports, content submissions, anything you want standardized and automatically organized. Start by opening the Asana project where you want to collect submissions. In the top right of the project, click Customize. This opens a panel with options to tailor the project to your workflow. In that panel, look for forms, click it to see any existing forms tied to this project or to create a new one. If you already have a form, you can use it as is. If not, choose to create a new form. Give your form a clear name and a short description that sets expectations for the person filling it out. Keep the questions focused on the essentials, so submissions are quick and accurate. Use simple field labels, add brief help text where something might be confusing, and mark fields as required only when truly necessary. A concise, well-structured form usually gets better responses and reduces back and forth later. Once your form is ready, or you've chosen an existing one, hover your mouse over the form's name in the forms list. You'll see a 3 dots menu appear. Click those 3 dots to open the More Actions menu, then select Copy Link. That copies a shareable URL for the form to your clipboard. This link is what you'll send to anyone who needs to submit information. Depending on your organization's settings, recipients may need to be part of your workspace to access the form, so consider testing it in a private window to confirm the experience matches your expectations. Now you can share the link wherever your team works. Paste it into an email, a team chat, a project brief, or your internal documentation so people can find it easily. If you want to keep it front and center inside Asana, add the link to a task. Open the task where you want to collect input, then paste the form link into the task's description or a comment. You can also add it to the task's attachments or a pinned comment if your team relies on those for quick reference. This makes it effortless for collaborators to submit the right details without chasing down templates or sending ad hoc messages. A quick tip before you wrap up: submit a test entry yourself to see how it appears as a task in the project. That way, you can adjust field names or required inputs before sharing broadly. With that, you're all set to use Asana forms to standardize requests and keep your work organized.